Welcome back to Switch to Linux. Well, I didn't think I'd be doing another video today, but a lot of people sent me emails and comments on videos from today talking about this Firefox issue. So Firefox there was a couple of things going on here. The primary thing that has happened is the certificate used to issue add-ons and to verify add-ons expired, or something went goofy with it last evening, and this caused all of your extensions to get your lovely basically disabled or slash unsupported issue. And so there are a few things that you can do about this. One of the things I'm doing right now is I'm running all the updates in the background here just to get things going. I'm trying to see if I can get the exact same issue. Now, I was actually able to see one of the issues. I was seeing it, and let's see, something missing or no longer supported. So there should be something here. Let me just go ahead and have a look. Here's extensions. So right now, everything is working on this browser. I just added this. I can actually search, what else do people add as an extension? Let's look at NoScript. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. Now, this is probably going to work for me because I've actually fixed the issue. So I'm now actually able to install things on my system. I was actually getting the error where things would not download. Nothing would work for you on it. Now, I was able to deploy the fix. So what you need to do, there's a couple of fixes you will see out there. The first fix, which is the least recommended, just because it will definitely, it basically causes your system to not look for certificates at all. But if nothing else works, this is going to work. You want to go into about:config, and you want to search for XP install. And you're going to go to xpinstall.signatures.required. If you toggle this to false, then it will not look for extensions. This is a little bit more dangerous because it will allow anything to run. It's kind of like sideloading an app into an Android phone. If you know what you're doing, that's perfectly fine. I would only do that if you don't have another option. The other thing, the fix that I was able to deploy, I was getting this behavior. I did this and it was actually able to work. What you want to do is you want to come down into your preferences, and then you want to go into privacy and security, and I need to grab my tinfoil hat for this one because we have to come down here to Firefox data collection and use. You need to toggle these guys around a little bit. Basically, you need to turn this guy on. And what I did is this was already turned on just because this is one of my virtual boxes that I use for testing. So everything was on. So I toggled it off, restarted the browser, toggled it back on. You need to allow Firefox to send technical and interaction data to Mozilla. Yes, Switch to Linux just said to enable that. And you need to allow Firefox to install and run studies, and then restart it, and now you should be able to re-enable your extensions and add-ons. Once you do that, you can now safely come in and turn this back off. And so you can turn that back off, restart the browser, and it should be fixed. So this is something they're aware of. It just has, like I said, to do with a certificate extension. So here, apparently everything is still working. I still have my uBlock and my uBlock and my NoScript up there. Everything is still working, and let's look for, is AdBlocker Plus is probably not something good anymore. I don't even know which one the real one is. That's how little I use these things. Let's look for an IP check plugin. There we are, IP check plugin. Let's go ahead and just try and install this. So this should give me the ability. So yes. Now I can actually set everything. So that's really what you need to do if you're running into that problem. Come down to your preferences, privacy and security, and then head on down to turn these guys on, allow Firefox to install and run studies, restart the browser. Those should enable your add-ons and plugins to get re-enabled, and then you can come back in here and turn it off. That's what you need to do to get this working. So yeah, bravo Firefox. Let an extension, a certificate expire or something to that general effect. They are working on it, but if you are seeing this, that is going to be your fix. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy switching to Linux, and I will see you on Monday with a few auto-published videos showing up before too long.